Have you ever wondered why Russia is considered one of the most powerful countries in the world? The answer is not only its military, politics, or history. The real answer is geography. Russia is the largest country on Earth. It is so big that it stretches across 2 continents, Europe and Asia, and covers 11 different time zones. Imagine waking up in one part of Russia while people in another part are already going to sleep. That's how huge Russia really is. But Russia's size is both a blessing and a problem. The country has massive forests, huge rivers, mountains, oil, gas, gold, and some of the richest natural resources on Earth. In fact, much of Europe depends on Russian energy. But controlling such a giant country is not easy. Some places in Russia are so cold that temperatures fall below -50 degrees Celsius. In winter, cars can freeze, roads disappear under snow, and entire towns become covered in ice. Most of this freezing land is called Siberia. Siberia is one of the coldest regions on Earth. It covers a huge part of northern Russia and looks almost endless. There are forests, frozen rivers, snowy mountains, and empty lands stretching for thousands of kilometers. For many people, Siberia feels like another world. But beneath all that ice and snow lies something extremely valuable: oil, gas, gold, diamonds. Russia earns billions of dollars from these resources, and that is one reason why Siberia is so important. Russia's geography also helped protect the country from enemies. In 1812, the French Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte invaded Russia with a huge army. At first, everything seemed easy. But then winter arrived. The freezing cold, snow, hunger, and massive distances destroyed his army. More than 100 years later, Adolf Hitler made the same mistake during World War II. German forces entered deep into Russia, but again, winter and geography became Russia's biggest weapons. Sometimes, nature can be stronger than any army. Another amazing thing about Russia is its forests. Russia has the largest forest area in the world. These forests are called the taiga. They are filled with pine trees and wild animals like bears, wolves, and Siberian tigers. Some forests are so large that they can even be seen from space. And then there is Lake Baikal. Located in Siberia, it is the deepest lake in the world and contains around 20% of the world's fresh, unfrozen water. In winter, the lake freezes and turns into beautiful, clear ice that looks like glass. But Russia is not only snow and forests. In the south, there are warmer grasslands where farmers grow wheat and other crops. Russia is actually one of the biggest wheat exporters in the world. And in the far east of the country, there are volcanoes. Yes, volcanoes. The Kamchatka Peninsula has many active volcanoes and earthquakes. Some areas there look almost untouched by humans. Russia also has some of the longest rivers in the world. These rivers helped cities grow and made trade easier across such a giant country. But even today, much of Russia remains empty. Most people live in Western Russia near cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg because the climate is less harsh there. Huge parts of Siberia still have very few people. That is how massive Russia really is. Today, Russia's geography still affects world politics. Its oil and gas pipelines reach many countries. Its Arctic region is becoming more important because melting ice may open new shipping routes in the future. So when people talk about Russia's power, they are also talking about geography. Because Russia's mountains, forests, rivers, snow, and size shaped its history for hundreds of years. And they continue to shape its future even today. Thanks for watching Histography. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and tell us in the comments which country you want to explore next.